yeah, uh. Yeah, yeah, uh, yeah.
Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacey. A little bittersweet, but not giving up, nevertheless. Basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of transform my garden again. I'm not going to let it get me down. I'm just going to do what I have to do. I'm going to put almost everything back into containers. So the thing about it is, this tree right here is forming roots under my soil, which is a result of slow progress, in my opinion, for my food. And I can't have it, guys. So, boy, you're on another journey with me, guys. But the thing about it, I'm grateful. Like for most plants, they're at a stage that I don't have to worry about transplanting them. That is actually a good thing. I'm just going to do what I have to do and just make it work, you know? So until when God say otherwise, I'm going to keep growing, that's for sure. No matter what comes my way, no matter what is happening. So yeah, let's get going, guys.
There'll be times when the tides are high and the boat may be rocky, you can cry, just never give up. You can never give up. In this life you can lead if you only believe, and in order to achieve what you need, you can never give up. You can never give up. And this hope that keeps me holding on.
So right here, I am transplanting my garlic. Like, I am just transplanting and not worrying about it. Whatever makes it, makes it. I'll just replant again if they don't. You can see I am barely going. Truth is, I am not into it right now. But I just have to do what I have to do.
This hope that keeps me holding on. And on. And this hope that makes me carry on. Not gonna step up, things are go better. Never make yourself be overcome by the pressure. Cool ya me brother, have faith instead of sit down and a watch and all a fight one another. Blaze like fire, we not go retire. God not sleep and I him a inspire. We have to reach fire, other thing require. We have to make them up before the time is fire. And this hope that makes me carry on. And this hope that keeps me holding on. And this hope that makes me carry on. Oh yeah. That hope, yeah. Hope keeps it alive, yeah. Hope keeps it alive, yeah. And the strong survive, yeah. Hope keeps it alive, yeah. Yeah. Hope keeps it alive, yeah. Let the strong survive, yeah. Keep it carry on, keep it carry on, yeah. I keep it carry on, yeah, yeah. I gotta carry on, Strength of a woman, yeah.
Making space to add one of these peppers here in the middle. I choose to use a knife right here as I work better with it. I am trying to get up as much soil with it as possible.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So before I got to here, this is where I'm coming from. So these are the containers. I use a soda iron to put holes in the bottom because you know drainage is important. So this is how they look now. To start with, I had some soil in this bag right here. Hold on there. Lizard alert. Anyways, I'm struggling to get the soil out. I should have kept it watered. Well, finally out. So in my barrel here, I am using some of the kitchen scraps to bury in my containers. Just dismantling them a little here in this bucket into smaller pieces. So of course, time to load them up. I put a few stones in the bottom, then some soil. Now add in the kitchen scraps. Then I add more soil to bury the scraps. Now I'm adding some compost on top. This is it, and I'm just watering it in. Now I'm just over it at this point. Just looking at what this I get myself into. Like, why me, Lord?
So don't you underestimate strength of a woman.
After much deliberation, I decided to continue with the transplanting of some okra. I tried to take them up with some soil, but it wasn't happening. Adding eggplants too. If they make it, kudos to me, but I'll be sowing seeds just in case.
Not gonna step up, things are go better. Never make yourself be overcome by the pressure. Cool ya me brother, have faith instead. Sit down and watch another fight one another. Blaze like fire, we not go retire. God not sleep and I him a inspire. We have to reach fire, and that thing require. We have to make them up before the time expire.
So that's pretty much it for a start. Catch me next week, Sunday, 10 a.m. Jamaica time, to see how I am progressing. And until then, walk good.
In this life you can lead if you only believe. And in order to achieve what you need, you can never give up. You can never give up.